Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to earn coins in ReelShort app. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open the application on your phone. And here, as you can see, when you log in daily, then click on this check-in button. It will give you daily coins. And the more you had more streaks or more days logging in a row, you will get more and more money or coins, as you can see. And there are actually more and more methods that you can get more coins. For example, you can create your own invite code and send it to your friend. And once your friend download the application through your link or enter the invitation code, he will redeem gifts and take coins, and you also will take coins with him. So it is a win-win condition and both of you will take coins. Another method that you can actually use in order to get more and more coins is to simply watch ads. When you go to the same page that we were talking about at the beginning of the video, this page right here, when you scroll down more, you will find here many ads that you can actually watch for extra coins. And another important thing which will give you a much more better balance with the coins, you can do the daily tasks. They include some activities like logging in, follow their own page on WhatsApp, follow them on Instagram, etc. So they are all simple and easy tasks that you can actually do in few minutes. And the last thing that you can do in order to get more and more coins, you can simply try to download these apps and games right here. These apps and games are paying money for ReelShort in order to advertise their game on it. So that's why the application recommend these games to you and give you coins when you download them. And sometimes when you try to spend some time on these games or applications, they will give you more and more coins. So let's summarize what we have mentioned in the video. First, you'll have to log in every day into your account. Second, you'll have to complete all the daily tasks, watch all the ads, and finally use invite links to invite other friends of yours. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.